Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Road Zone Review. Do you still have any doubts about China's dominance in the automotive industry? If your answer is yes, then stick around because today, we're diving deep into China's rapid rise in car manufacturing, and trust me, it's mind-blowing. Plus, I'll introduce you to this beast right here. The Omoda C7, a plug-in hybrid SUV that's about to shake up the Brazilian market. Let's go. Under the hood, power and performance. This SUV packs a 1.5L turbo engine plus electric motor, delivering a jaw-dropping 339 horsepower, and it's quick, 0 to 100 km in just 7.9 seconds. The secret? A smart 18.3 kWh battery setup that keeps performance strong even when the battery is low. We tested it on a 900-kilometer road trip from Shanghai to Wuhu, and the results? 24 km/h in hybrid mode. Even at 70% battery, it still managed 100 km without breaking a sweat. Design and comfort, luxury meets tech-aggressive front grille, Lexus vibes. Full LED lighting, panoramic roof, and 19-inch wheels, premium interior with leather seats. Heated, cooled, and even massaging. Fragrance system. Yes, you read that right. Pick your cabin scent. Sliding touchscreen, 16-inch, 2.5K resolution. With 360 camera space and practicality 2.7 wheelbase. Room for 5 in Comfort 500L trunk, similar to the Tiggo 7, rear AC vents, plus USB-C ports. Final verdict. The Omoda C7 is a game changer, powerful, efficient, and packed with tech. If it lands in Brazil around 229K, it could be a serious rival to the Compass and Corolla Cross. What do you think? Did this review surprise you? Drop a comment and stay tuned for more deep dives on the latest cars. See you in the next one.